Introduction. Welcome to From Seeking to Believing, Embracing Islam's Guiding Light. In this video, we will embark on a transformative journey of conversion to Islam, uncovering the profound reasons behind this life-changing decision and exploring the pillars of faith that shape the Muslim path. 1. Personal reflection. Our journey begins with personal reflection. Many individuals who choose to convert to Islam are seekers of truth, yearning for spiritual fulfillment and a deeper understanding of their purpose in life. This quest leads them to explore different religions and philosophies until they encounter the guiding light of Islam. 2. Discovering Islam. Discovering Islam is a fascinating voyage. Converts delve into the Quran, the holy book of Islam, learning about its timeless wisdom and divine guidance. They engage with knowledgeable individuals, attend lectures, and study Islamic teachings to gain a comprehensive understanding of the faith. 3. The Shaida. The Shaida, the declaration of faith, is a significant milestone in the conversion process. Converts bear witness that there is no deity worthy of worship except Allah and that Mohammed is the final messenger of Allah. With this profound proclamation, they enter the fold of Islam, embracing a new identity and spiritual connection. 4. Embracing the 5 pillars. The 5 pillars of Islam form the foundation of a Muslim's life. Converts embark on a journey to embrace these pillars, starting with Salah, the 5 daily prayers that serve as a direct connection with the divine. They learn to perform wudu, the ritual purification, and experience the tranquility and serenity that comes with regular prayer. 5. Embracing Islamic values. Embracing Islam means embracing its core values. Converts strive to exemplify compassion, generosity, honesty, and justice in their daily lives. They understand the significance of charity and engage in acts of giving to uplift those in need, embodying the spirit of Islam's teachings. Conclusion. As we conclude our video, we have witnessed the transformative power of embracing Islam. From the initial search for truth to the profound decision to declare faith, converts embark on a path guided by the light of Islam. By embracing the pillars of faith and embodying Islamic values, they embark on a spiritual journey filled with meaning, purpose, and a profound connection with Allah. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of converting to Islam. May this video serve as a source of inspiration and guidance for those who are considering embracing Islam's guiding